story of
Oh my god!
So don't worry about it. This is the story of the refrigerator girl. Let me tell you how the story begins. Once upon a time in a refrigerator far, far away.
She's just looking at the cheese. Yeah.
There was a little bag of cheese in the
She hated
in the refrigerator, and her name was Elsie. Elsie, the boarding cow, always had cute outfits. Except one day I got pissed off. And so I put her in a timeout. Because she was just in my way.
Eat that cookie.
So on with the story. Let's have a timeout for some shake your booty time. You got so this The story of the little girl who lived in the refrigerator. Part 1.